Synthetic fibers and plastics. Introduction. Plastics is one of the most commonly used materials in our daily lives. Wherever we are, we will see this material all around us. The milk pouches, which is delivered to our doorstep every morning. The water bottle in our bag, which is our travel companion. Our groceries, favorite cold drinks, and farm fresh products are all wrapped in plastics. A. From credit cards and smart cards. B. The versatility of plastics has made telephony, fax, email, and internet possible. Plastics reach out to millions of people, ensuring quality, freshness, health, safety, and hygiene. Plastics. Plastic is also a polymer. Some plastics have linear, whereas others have cross-linked arrangements. Plastics fit into two categories: thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics can be heated and shaped over and over again. Polythene and PVC are thermoplastics. Polythene is used for making water bottles, cans of fizzy drinks, shampoo bottles, salad trays, etc. PVC is used for making doors and window frames, automotive parts, etc. Thermosetting plastics are plastics which, when molded once, cannot be softened by heating. Bakelite and melamine are thermosetting plastics. Bakelite is a poor conductor of electricity. So, it is used in electrical switches, handles of utensils, brake pads, etc. Melamine is used in making floor tiles, kitchenware, and fabric. Properties of plastics. Metals like iron get rusted when they are left exposed to moisture and air. But plastics do not react with air and water. So, they do not corrode easily and are used to store different materials, including hazardous chemicals. Plastics are very light, strong, durable, and can be molded into different shapes and sizes. Plastics are generally cheaper than metals and are therefore widely used in household and industry articles. Plastics have water-resistant property and possess good adhesiveness. Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity, so they are extensively used in covering of electrical wires and handles of screwdrivers and fry pans. Did you know plastics are used in healthcare sector in the packaging of tablets, syringes, gloves, and a number of medical equipments? Teflon, a special plastic on which oil and water do not stick, is used for non-stick coating on cookwares. Special plastic cookware is used in microwave ovens for cooking food at high temperature without affecting the plastic vessels. Firemen's uniform has coating of melamine plastic to make them flame resistant. Plastics and the environment. So the disposal of plastic is a major problem. Biodegradable material gets decomposed through natural processes like by the action of bacteria. But non-biodegradable materials like plastic is not easily decomposed by natural processes. As plastics are long-lasting materials, it persists in the earth for many centuries, resulting in enormous environment pollution. Burning of plastics is also a slow process and does not burn completely, causing air pollution with the release of poisonous gases into the atmosphere. The polythene bags and wrappers of food that we throw in the garbage dumps are swallowed by animals in the process of eating food. As a responsible citizen, we should take concrete steps to keep our public places clean and free of plastic. We should not throw plastic materials in the water bodies or on the road. We should carry cotton or a jute bag when we go out for shopping. Try to reduce the use of plastic materials as far as possible. We can also reduce the pollution due to plastic waste to some extent by recycling. Recycling is the process of using the materials again by reprocessing. Some of the steps involved in recycling are collection of waste plastic materials, separating thermosetting and thermoplastic materials, softening of thermoplastics, upgrading the quality by refining, remolding. As an alert and responsible citizen, always remember the 4R principle: reduce, reuse, recycle, recover. Summary. Let us recap what we have learned today. Plastics is one of the most commonly used materials in our daily lives. Some plastics have linear, whereas others have cross-linked arrangements. Plastics fit into two categories: thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics can be heated and shaped over and over again. Polythene and PVC are examples of thermoplastics. Thermosetting plastics are plastics which, when molded once, cannot be softened by heating. Bakelite and melamine are examples of thermosetting plastics. The properties of plastics are: plastics do not react with air and water, hence they do not corrode easily. Plastics are very light, strong, durable, and can be molded into different shapes and sizes. Plastics are generally cheaper than metals. Plastics have water-resistant property and possess good adhesiveness. Plastics have excellent finishing, possess good shock absorption capacity, high strength as well as toughness. Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. A material which gets decomposed through natural processes such as action by bacteria is called biodegradable. A material which is not easily decomposed by natural processes is termed as non-biodegradable. As a responsible citizen, we should take concrete steps to keep our public places clean and free of plastic. We should not throw plastic materials in the water bodies or on the road. We should carry cotton or a jute bag when we go out for shopping. Try to reduce the use of plastic materials as far as possible. Recycling is the process of using the materials again by reprocessing.